Today we're featuring a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda Civic EX. It's crystal black metallic in color. All right, it's got 32,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. Got your lock, unlock button here on the door handles. It is equipped with sunroof. All right. Driver's side's in great shape. Does have the deck lid spoiler here. Rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Got your unlock lock button here on the passenger door handle. It's also equipped with the blind spot monitoring system. Alright, once again, it's a 2016, 32,000 miles, certified, clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, got the black and beige door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, beige cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs, remote start. Passenger seat looks good, no problems there. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your heated seats, dual climate controls, push button start, radio display and backup camera right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Got your cruise control here, steering wheel audio and Bluetooth. Alright, and then it's got your blind spot monitoring button here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 32,304 miles. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display. Alright, these are all your apps right here. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, let me dim that down for you just a bit. There you go. It's got the guidelines on there. Alright, we'll put it back in park. Go ahead and activate the blind spot monitoring camera. Alright, and it is a visual of your blind spot. It's a nice safety feature that Honda offers. Of course, you got your push button start here, heated seats on both sides, okay, automatic. All right, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back. And then once again, let me give you a shot of the sunroof here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels back here in great shape. Back seat carpet's nice and clean, no staining. Back seat cloth looks good, no issues at all back here. Center console comes down, got the cup holders there. All right, go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look in the trunk. All right, carpet back here is nice and clean. I'll step to the side. You can see how much depth you got there. There's a ton of space in the back of the Civic. Got your jack and spare tire underneath. Take a look at the wheels and tires. See, 17-inch alloys. All right, tires are in great shape, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2016 certified EX. All right, 32,000 miles on it. This thing's in fantastic condition inside and out. Clean Carfax, one owner. So come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.